Hello and good morning. Thank you that you can join me as I take my weather observation here in our neighborhood, Lorne Park, Lakeshore, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. It's Monday, April 15th, 2024, 9 o'clock in the morning. Clear skies at 0 octa. Temperature, it's above freezing at 8.8 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is rising at 13.8 millibars, and the air quality reading is low at 5.7 microgram per cubic meter for fine particulate matter at 2.5 microns. Precipitation wise, huh? we got, if you can see that, we got 0.2 millimeters in the past 24 hours, and that will be entered in the CoCoRaHS.org website under station ID CANWARN 646. Well, we've got lots of rain in the past 4 days, and if you're a gardener, that's actually a prime condition to do some gardening today. Especially you have some sunshine today and tomorrow, and since the soil is wet, it's actually easier to pull out some weeds. And if you're planting any new plants, it's also quite easy to do that because the soil is moist. That will then help your new plants to adapt to the new location. If you don't have a garden, well, if you have time today, have a stroll around the neighborhood and admire your neighbor's garden. Otherwise, also you go to the park, so you have the whole area to yourself and enjoy all the wonders of nature, watching the trees grow, um, plants come alive, as they say. Well, friends, wherever you are, remember that the sun is always there and the cloud shall eventually pass. Have an awesome day. See you again tomorrow. Take care.